Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review for this wig that I have here that I'm absolutely loving. So the name of this wig is called Onika. It's O-N-I-K-A, so I'm going to assume that's how you pronounce it. This is what the stock card looks like. So yeah, I saw the stock card and then saw like the bob and just the cut and everything, and I said for $22 you can't beat that. Let me try it out to see how I like it. So it's definitely some pros and cons. And you get Onika in the color 1B. However, this color right here is very pretty. I think that's the 1B. Yeah, it's the T 1P golden copper. I absolutely love the way this looks, so I'll probably be going back and ordering another one since I pretty much like this one. And for $22, again, you really can't beat that price. It's definitely like on a little angle, which is really cute. So this is a lace part wig and not a lace front wig. So those of you who do not like cutting lace, this wig will probably be perfect for you because you don't have to worry about you know, cutting any lace. We're talking about the parts. This is what my part looks like. The part pretty much came looking pretty good. Now that I'm kind of looking at it, I might go back and tweeze it just a little bit because it looks a little tight. But the only thing that I did to it was add a little bit of my powder, and that was pretty much it. As far as the texture of this wig, it kind of took some getting used to. Definitely like a yucky texture. If you get up real close, you can definitely see. Like for my bobs, I prefer for them to be like a yucky texture. I feel like when I get the silky ones, it doesn't look as natural. It's curling iron safe up to 350 to 400 degrees, which I did have to go in and use my flat irons to make it lay down a little bit flatter, because here on the left side it was like this hump action going on, which I kind of still feel like it's going on, like it's not laying down as flat as this side. I'm not sure what that is about, but yeah, I did go in with my flat irons to make that lay down a little bit flatter. Let's have your traditional 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. And as far as the size, I feel like this is big head friendly, so I didn't have to go in to adjust anything or make it bigger or make it smaller or anything. Like, I put it on and it just fits my head so well. And even if your head was a little bit bigger than mine's, you still wouldn't have any issues. So the pros about this wig is one, definitely the price. It's only like $21.59 or something like that, like $22 basically. I love this style. It's very pretty. However, I would say one of the cons is how it was like kind of lumpy on one side. Another con for me is, which is small, I can just go back and fix it, no problem, but it's kind of not cut how it's supposed to be. Like, there's a few extra hairs and stuff hanging that I'll probably go back and cut and, you know, shape up a little bit. Do a 360 view so you can see how the whole wig looks. So yeah, that was pretty much my review for this wig. If I forgot anything, I'll leave it down below in the description box. So just go ahead and, you know, check the description box just in case I forgot anything. If you have any questions, leave those down below as well. And I will catch you guys in my next